The ZOSI C298 dual-lens Wi-Fi camera might just be an ultimate security upgrade for your home or office. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm gonna review the ZOSI C298. Before we dive in, a big thanks to Vivi and the team at ZOSI for sending me this Wi-Fi camera to review. This camera comes with some unique features like its dual-lens system, air motion tracking, and color night vision. But does it really deliver? I'll be taking about the pros and cons and showing you how it performs in real-world testing. Let's start. The ZOSI C298 combines a 4-megapixel telephoto lens with an 8x electronic zoom and a 2.8mm wide-angle lens, offering a full 355 degrees panoramic view. This dual lens setup lets you focus on details like license plates or facial features while still capturing a broad overview of the area. With advanced algorithms, the camera distinguishes between humans and vehicles, automatically tracking them until they leave the frame. This is a huge improvement over traditional motion sensors that can trigger false alarms. Plus, when unusual activity is detected, the white light alarm activates, and you will receive instant push notifications or email alerts with a screenshot. This camera excels in low light conditions with 3 night vision modes and a range of up to 30 meters. Good job! The full color mode makes it easy to identify people or objects in the dark. With its built-in speaker and microphone, the ZOSI C298 lets you communicate with visitors in real time or deter intruders. You can even customize voice alerts, like recording a custom message for guests or a warning to keep intruders away. The camera supports microSD cards up to 256GB, so you can store plenty of footage without needing a cloud subscription. It operates on a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, ensuring smooth and reliable performance built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The ZOSI C298 is IP66 rated, making it perfect choice for outdoor use. While the camera is feature-packed, the setup process can be a bit challenging for first-time users, especially when configuring the Wi-Fi and app settings. But don't worry, in the end of the video, I will guide you through the setup step by step to make it easy for you. The 8x electronic zoom works great during the day, but struggles slightly in low light conditions even with night vision. This camera isn't battery powered, so you'll need a nearby outlet to plug it in. This might limit your placement options. Here's how the camera performs. The dual lens transitions seamlessly, and the live HD feed in the ZOSI Smart app is sharp and detailed. You can switch between SD and HD modes easily, but make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong for smooth streaming. The difference between SD and HD modes is clear, and with the app you can have full control over your monitoring experience. Overall, the ZOSI C298 offers excellent features like dual lenses, air tracking, and customizable alerts, making it a solid choice for outdoor security. However, keep in mind the need for a power source and a slightly steep learning curve for setup. Let's take a look at unboxing and setup of this device.
Una vez más, finges no lo sentir. Si fuera yo, no echaría a perder el sabor de tus besos, tu miel. Si fuera yo, no echaría a perder el sabor de tus besos, tu miel. Si fuera no echaría a perder tu amor, el calor de tu piel y el dolor de verla sufrir. Me parte el corazón en dos, nunca más volvería a llorar si fuera yo. Echaría a perder el sabor de tus besos, tu miel. Si fuera yo, me echaría